Chapter 9, Video 2. Oh my goodness, people. We're just rocking and rolling. This is Miss Osier.
And Miss Lahart.
Let's do some inverses.
Of a rational equation.
So you guys know the rule with inverses. We've already done them multiple times. You switch your x and your y. Yay.
And then you solve for your new y, and that gives you the inverse equation.
Now with rationals, we gotta do some algebra.
Yep.
And that might scare you, but you're gonna be fine. It's gonna be okay.
Okay.
So, step 1.
Switch x and y.
Bam. Wait, there were 2 x's. Oh my goodness. That just means there's 2 y's, people. Everything's fine.
Okay, so now we have a, just an x sitting on the left side. So if I ever have that situation with just one fraction, I am going to put a 1 over it, and I'm going to cross multiply.
Cross multiply that bad boy. Now, notice we did not distribute the x. We kind of did that on purpose.
Yet.
Just saying. Yet, right.
We will now.
Bam, there we go.
Okay, so we have 2 pieces that have y's in them. So we need to get the y's on one side. So subtract the y over and add the 2x over.
Boom.
And then on the left side, you factor out a y.
There it is.
And then how do you get rid of multiplication?
You divide, people. So there's your inverse. Y would equal 2x over x minus 1. Hey, what couldn't x be?
X couldn't be positive 1.
Because that would make the bottom 0 and then everything would explode.
Yep.
Boom. Okay, switch your x and your y. Cross multiply. Oh my goodness, x's and y's.
Get your y's on one side. All of the rationals kind of go in this kind of flow. You got to get your y's on one side, you factor out the y, and then it's just multiplication to get rid of, so you divide.
Boom. There we go. Look at us go.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just doing algebra. Okay, so same thing. Remember that when you have a function notation, that's just like y. So you switch your x and your y still. Now here I have an operation outside of the fraction. So I have to add that 1 over.
Okay.
And then we put it over 1 just again to encourage the cross multiplication.
Ooh, boy.
Okay, it's okay, people. You can do this.
Yep. Double distribute. So x times y, you would get xy. Then you get negative 2x plus y minus 2. Still the same concept, guys. Get your y's on one side and get everything else on the other side. The 2's end up canceling.
Yep.
And then again, you factor out your y and divide by x plus 1.
And look at us go.
Now, inverse notation. If they give you function notation, you have to give them inverse function notation, which is the g to the negative 1 of x. So just make sure that you distinguish your inverse notation.
Notation, people. Know your notation.
That might be it.
Okay.
I don't know, though.
Yeah. So there you go. Switch your x and y and solve. The end. Have a wonderful day.